I'm here with Felipe, our snowmobiling tour guide here. Where are we going?
We're going to go into the backcountry today. We're going to be going up about 2,500 feet
Nice.
up to get some great views of the lake. We're riding Yamaha snowmobiles. They're really nice machines. They're made for trail use. So we're not going off trail today with the snowmobiles. And it's going to be about an hour and a half tour, up to an hour and 40 minutes.
How many miles do you think we'll cover?
It depends on the group, you know. If the group is slow, we will cover maybe 15 to 20 miles. If it's a faster group, up to 30, 35 miles.
Nice.
We have several different trails here, and according to the group, I'll pick some trails that will fit us more properly.
What do you want to tell the Splash Magazine worldwide fans out there?
Well, I want to tell you guys that you come over and check it out. It's one of the best tours we have around the lake. Really good guides, really good crew, really safe, really amazing time all around.
Come to Zephyr Cove.
Come to Zephyr Cove Snowmobiles. Come check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Felipe here again. We're at the hot chocolate stop. It's one of our favorite stops for a lot of people, especially in cold days like this. We got hot chocolate and we take a little break and get to know the customers a little bit more. And from here we're going to be heading down to the trailhead to finish the trip.
It was a good one.
Right on.